Hey everybody, so I think last week Google's Bard got actually let's take a look here. Google's Bard got an update. Its coding capabilities, so I thought it would be interesting to see what we can do real quick with a quick little demo of some of its skills here. So yeah, about 5 days ago, it says it could program in 20 different programming languages: JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, and Google Sheets functions. But I thought let's try a little HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and let's see what we can do here. Alright, so let's go with our classic. Let's see if we can get a hero image. Alright, so can you build a responsive hero image with text on top of it, with a background image and a call to action button. Alright, so it actually gave us a full HTML document, so let's just pop some of this over into our CodePen. And let's copy the CSS. Okay, we got a little something here. Interesting that I have an image inside the div and there's a background image. So let's see if it can actually give us a placeholder image rather than looking something up here. Can you provide us a placeholder image path for the code above? All right. Okay, sweet. So it looks like it gave us something. So let's just replace it in our code and let's see what happens. All right. It seems like it's breaking. So let's see if this is just a broken image. That appears to be a broken image. Let's try to not do anything else. That appears to not work. Can you provide us with a different image? I want to see how far we can get with actually just with prompts. So, all right, new code. Sweet. Let's see what we can do here. And all right, looks like that one worked. Yeah, it seems like this image tag didn't really make any sense, so let's get rid of that. Alright, so let's see if we can do a little edit here. So can you center the text? Let's see if it remembers the code from a couple prompts ago. Can you center the text from the code you wait. Can you center the text and make it white? Let's just try to see if it can recall that. And it moved into inline styles, which I don't love, but let's, for the sake of this, let's just keep with the prompt. Alright, it's not great, but you can work with that. So, it saves you from boilerplating out some of that stuff. Alright, let's try something else then. Alright, let's do maybe like a photo gallery here. Let's see, can you make a photo grid images with placeholder URLs? And the grid will be 3x3 desktop and 2x2 and then 2x, and then so 3 by 3 is 9, and then 2 across on mobile, right? Because then we can just do 2 bigger ones. Actually, let's just see what happens. Alright, I don't know why it's driving me crazy that it has. Okay, so it provided JavaScript for that grid, but so for the sake of our demo here, let's get rid of the CSS for that. Not that it's going to override it. All right, so there's and did it give us jQuery? Oh, and it gave us jQuery, and I'm not loading jQuery. Okay, so this is a terrible example. So let's see. Can you give us CSS for this and use any jQuery? Such a strange, not strange, but just definitely was not something. Okay, wait, this is promising here. Let's see what we got here. Okay, way better. Way better. Maybe it was my prompt. Let's see. I did not specify if I wanted CSS grid, so I did leave it up to Bard, but this is a way better experience. And again, this is pretty simple, just a little photo grid, but it saves the energy of boilerplating this stuff out. So a couple quick examples, as it says right here, use this code with caution. It can definitely help boilerplate out a thing, but you're definitely going to have to edit some of this stuff for sure. But Bard has made definitely some significant improvements when it comes to code, because I did try this when it first launched, and it couldn't really do anything. So this is definitely a step in the right direction. And then, so yeah, I think it's worth playing around with. Still probably slightly inferior to ChatGPT, but it's come a long way in a short amount of time, and both examples weren't that bad. So thanks everybody.